My client Basia had 20,000 LinkedIn followers when she came to me, and she wasn't able to monetize her audience. So every time she tried to launch something, nobody was opting in, nobody was signing up, and nobody was giving her the time of the day. So she did what everybody tells you to do. She kept posting, she kept focusing on her audience, and she waited for the followers to simply convert. And what she thought was the answer was creating sophisticated ebooks, lead captures, like thinking that she was simply one digital product away from starting to make more sales. And nothing really budged. So when we started working together, here's what I told her that nobody else is saying. Your audience is not the problem. You just don't have the right lead magnet and the right strategy with your funnel. So I helped her launch a brand new high converting sales funnel, and 30 days later from launching it, she made her first $10,000 with 20 people signing up to her $500 cohort.
Thanks for taking the time to speak to us. Really appreciate it. And I guess before we start, I would love for you to share your win for the last 30 days.
Hello, everyone. My name is Basia, and I don't know how much Luna already told you, but I guess I also shared in the Slack channel that I just closed my first 10 grand on social, leveraging my mini app, and then taking people on my webinar and closing them through the webinar to my mid to high ticket offer. So yeah, it's been exciting. It's my first dollar online, and it's been fun.
So what I did for you today is that I mapped the entire thing inside this Miro board, every step of the way, in the exact order that we ran it, so you can simply copy it. And now listen, another thing I really want you to be conscientious of is that you don't need a big audience in order to be successful. You can simply copy this strategy even if you only have 100 or even 500 followers. To give you some context, when Basia originally came to me, and this is the original email she sent my way, she had 20,000 followers on LinkedIn, so she was building her personal brand, but she hadn't been able to monetize her audience. She wanted to sell them educational products around AI, but she did not have an offer yet. So just to show you that she did have traffic, she did have plenty of leads, but she was still not able to monetize. So she was active on LinkedIn. She only had about 100 folks who had signed up to her email list, but nothing to sell, right? And so we've been told, or she was under the impression that she needed to create PDFs and different lead magnets of that kind to get people to download them and get them into her email list. But people were not interested in her PDFs. They weren't downloading it, and they were not signing up to her email list. So this is when I explained to her that we needed to build a brand new kind of funnel. So instead, we created an interactive AI artifact / mini web app. In her case, what we did is we created a LinkedIn post analyzer where essentially you put in your LinkedIn post and it grades your post so you have an understanding of what needs to be done in order for you to publish it, right? Like what are the optimizations required for you to have a better LinkedIn post? And obviously, because she already had 20,000 followers on LinkedIn, people trusted her with that because her posts were getting traction, she was getting comments. So people knew that she was an authority. And now the beautiful thing with having this mini app method is that instead of having a PDF that people just skim once, they completely forget, it's in their inbox, essentially what happens is that they're using your app over and over again, right? So the lead gets immediate value. They get to use your app over and over again. And so every time they use your app, they get to trust you. And that is the difference between having a dead lead magnet, something that is an ebook, a PDF, something that people have to read through, versus having something that is interactive. First of all, it sets you apart from all the other competitors. It gives people more curiosity and more an incentive to be inside your email list. So essentially, this was a lead magnet. You had to provide your email address in order to get access to this app. And so essentially the transition at this point was she went from only having followers to growing her email list. And the beauty of you having an email list is that no one can steal that away from you, right? Like platforms can decide from one day to the next whether or not they decide to show your content versus an email list, you have that for life. So what she was doing is that she was continuing to warm up her email list by sending them educational content, by also encouraging them to use her mini app. And this is when the next step was so crucial. coming up with a live workshop. So why are live workshops so effective? First of all, it gives people the urgency to show up and fix their problem. You're going live, you're going to share your knowledge, and they know that they can take action right away. Now, she was able at first to get 800 people to sign up. We brought it up to 964 folks by optimizing her email. And obviously, as well, telling folks on LinkedIn to join her workshop as well. And the purpose of the live event was twofold. First, it gave people a reason to show up, take action right away, learn more about her teaching. It's also a great way for her to build more trust. And then at the end, make her offer about her cohort. And by the way, guys, like another thing worth noting is that it's a great way to nurture your audience. So they can get to know you, they can learn more about your methodologies and your systems. So essentially, her email sequence did the quiet work. It reminded people to attend, it gave them real value, and also after the webinar and the replay, it walked them through the next steps, which was her cohort, and gave them an opportunity to work directly with her. Now, something as well that's worth understanding is that she had a good offer. She did not try to do high ticket right away. Her offer was simple. 6 weeks for $500. You get 1 call a week, and she walks you through all of her processes on how she's able to leverage LinkedIn to get people to reach out to her so she never has to apply for a job. The reason that worked so well is because it's an immediate yes for people who've already played with her mini app and are part of her email list and follow her on LinkedIn, especially as this is her first cohort. So a lot of time what happens is people like to move people from a free lead magnet to a $3,000, even $5,000 offer. And when you're somebody who's starting out, that's just too ambitious. It's best to try to get folks onboarded with a lower ticket offer, so mid-ticket offer, so it's an immediate yes for them. Now, guys, something worth noting as well is that it was not overnight. We had to optimize her email for her to get more sign up. But it worked because people knew that they were going to get a lot of value from the 6 weeks they were going to spend with her. So at the end, this is how she reached her first $10,000 in 30 days. Now, if we look back at her strategy, it was quite simple. It wasn't about gaining more followers. It was about putting the right system in place and the right lead magnet so people knew who she was. She differentiated herself in the marketplace. People interacted with her product on a daily basis. She reminded them that she was around by having a live workshop and getting them to attend that live workshop. And then at the end, provided them with the option to join her cohort for 6 weeks at the sweet price of simply $500. So all it took was 20 customers for her to go from $0 to $10,000 in 30 days. Now, since she did grow her LinkedIn following, but remember, it's not about growing your audience. It's about putting the right systems in place that are going to help people trust you, understand that you are an authority in your field, that you are the expert that you say you are. And you do that by having good interactive AI artifacts or mini app where people get to interact with your work. And you top it off with a live workshop where you provide plenty of value for people to trust you and then introduce them with a way to work with you. And that's the recipe to being successful. Now, if you're interested in having all the prompts that she used to create her funnel, simply DM me funnel and I will send it your way. The moral of the story is that you don't need more followers. You simply need a better lead capture that's going to make people trust you and a sales funnel behind it. So that's exactly what took Basia from $0 to $10,000 in 30 days. So 20 people opting in to her $500 cohort. So listen, I broke the whole strategy down from you, from the kind of mini app that you want as a lead magnet to make people trust you, from the kind of email flow that you want, and the kind of event that you want to create. I put all this into a free guide, plus I added for you the exact prompts that will help you build all of these different assets. So simply comment funnel and I will send it over. Let me know if you have any additional questions in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.